Hello everyone, today we're looking at conftest.py, how to share fixtures across multiple files within Pytest. So Pytest is a testing framework for making it easy to test your Python code. You write a function in Python, you can call it using Pytest. So I've written a very basic test here, and in fact it's not actually calling a separate function just for simplicity. So I've said def test underscore 43, and what it's doing is it's passing in load 43, which is declared here in the conftest.py file. Now the Python decorator, the @ symbol, pytest.fixture on line 13, that allows you to pass the function just as a parameter, and def load 43 is returning 43. So all of this is being transplanted into here. Now the reason that happens is because Pytest actually looks for a file called conftest.py. Now you can have several conftest files, multiple fixtures. There is some issues with scope, so if you want to read more about that, it's in documentation. But for now, all I want to do is just demonstrate this result from the fixture. The fixture is just creating this value, and this can be used throughout your project. So if you, for instance, if this was actually a connection to a database, you just pass db into your function, and your function can then access the database. So that's one of the main uses of it, but just for demonstration purposes I wanted to keep it simple here. And let's just do pytest, and we've got one passing test. Why has it passed? Well, it's passed because 43 is equal to 43 from the load underscore 43 function in our fixture. So just to show you where it's created from, we've got tests as usual, conftest, which is in the directory above the tests directory, and then within the tests directory we've actually got our pytest test, which is here. So all we've done is we've created a conftest test, and we have passed the value from the conftest test, the conftest.py file, into our test here. And we've done an assert statement to say that value should equal 43. That doesn't have to be called 43, that could just be called load x. Let's just change it. So load x here, and then it's coming up with the red squiggle, that's gone. And here we just need to call this the same. So whatever it's called here needs to match here. And if I run it again, you can see it passes again. So yeah, just a quick demo, very quick demo of conftest. Conftest.py is especially useful for testing databases. So I'll be doing some more of that coming up.